Today is the 13th day, and I'll talk to you on Unlearn to Relearn. Why knowing is not doing. Rebuild trust with yourself. You don't fail because you don't know what to do. You fail because you don't do what you know. Today we unlearn the trap of knowledge hoarding and rediscover self-trust through aligned, consistent action. Namaskar, I'm 𝗪𝗂𝗏 best-selling author, resilience strategist, and work-life balance coach. My dear friends, I welcome you on the 13th day of Unlearn to Relearn. Here is today's raw truth. You don't need more information. You need more implementation. In the age of content overload, knowledge without action is just mental hoarding. The gap between who you are and who you want to be is the gap between what you know and what you actually do. The psychology of self-trust. According to a 2023 study from McGill University, people who repeatedly fail to act on their intentions experience a 36% drop in self-trust and emotional confidence over time. This is not a skill gap. It is an integrity gap between your promises and your patterns. Every time you say, I shall start tomorrow, and don't, you are not just delaying progress. You are retraining your brain to distrust your word. Here I present you the case study. Rajiv from India. Rajiv, 40, an IT project manager in Pune, had read 9 books on productivity and took 3 master classes on time blocking. Still his calendar was chaos. His coach asked, what part of you benefits from staying overwhelmed? That question cracked open years of procrastination disguised as learning. Learning should not be your procrastination. Once Rajiv committed to one small action a day, no more, no less, his trust in himself returned. It is bound to return. He is now a certified GTD, getting things done coach, helping others close the knowing-doing gap. Here I present to the second case study. Amanda from USA. Amanda, 35, was a wellness content creator in Austin. She saved hundreds of posts on mindfulness, productivity, and morning routines. But her morning still started with doom scrolling. When she started journaling her did versus planned list overnight, she saw the emotional cost of misalignment. She now runs a community called Action Over Advice, helping creators transform content into habit. Here are the key insights. Knowing doesn't equal growing. You don't build self-trust by consuming more. You build it by keeping tiny promises to yourself daily. You don't need more learning. You need more doing. Here are journal prompts for you. Ask yourself, what's one small action I keep delaying despite knowing exactly why it matters? Then write, what would it feel like to just do it today? Affirmation. My dear friend, I trust myself because I act. I don't wait for readiness. I create momentum. My power grows with every promise I keep to myself. Here are the free tools for you. From knowing to doing Kindle tools. Self-trust tracker template, the 5-minute alignment ritual, action stacking habit guides for professional, DM day 13 to receive it instantly. Here is call to action for you, my dear friends. Comments. Knowing is not enough. I choose to act. DM day 13 for your doing kit. Tag someone who is tired of knowing but not growing. Subscribe my channel because day 14 reveals unlearn busyness, the myth of productivity addiction. Thank you very much.